What is the difference between DC and AC power? DC power is direct current, which flows in one direction, while AC power is alternating current, which changes direction regularly. How is power factor corrected in an AC circuit? Power factor can be corrected by adding a capacitor in parallel with the load. What is the difference between a transformer and a motor? A transformer is a passive device used to transfer electrical energy from one circuit to another, while a motor is an active device that converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. What is the role of a diode in a circuit? A diode is a semiconductor device that allows current to flow in one direction only. It is used as a rectifier to convert AC to DC. What is the purpose of a switch in a circuit? A switch is used to open or close a circuit, controlling the flow of current. What is the difference between a resistor and a capacitor? A resistor resists the flow of current, while a capacitor stores electrical energy in an electric field. What is the purpose of a transistor in a circuit? A transistor is a semiconductor device that is used to amplify or switch electronic signals. What is the function of a relay in a circuit? A relay is an electromechanical device that is used to switch electrical circuits on and off. What is the difference between a series and parallel circuit? A series circuit has components connected one after the other, while a parallel circuit has components connected side by side. How are power transmitted over long distances? Power is transmitted over long distances using high-voltage transmission lines, which reduce power loss due to resistance. What is an inverter and how does it work? An inverter is an electronic device that converts DC power to AC power. It works by taking the DC input and running it through an oscillator circuit, which generates a square wave. This square wave is then passed through a low-pass filter to create a sine wave output. How is a microcontroller used in a circuit? A microcontroller is a small computer on a chip that can be used to control various functions in a circuit. It can be programmed to perform specific tasks, such as controlling the speed of a motor or monitoring sensor data. What is the difference between a power supply and a battery? A power supply is a device that converts AC power to DC power, while a battery stores electrical energy and releases it as DC power. How is energy efficiency measured in electrical devices? Energy efficiency is typically measured as the ratio of useful output energy to input energy, known as the coefficient of performance, COP. What are the benefits of using renewable energy sources? Renewable energy sources, such as solar and wind power, have several benefits, including reducing dependence on fossil fuels, reducing greenhouse gas emissions, and reducing the environmental impact of energy generation. What is the difference between a fuse and a circuit breaker? A fuse is a one-time device that melts when the current exceeds a certain limit, breaking the circuit and preventing damage, while a circuit breaker is an automatically operated electrical switch that can be reset after tripping. What are the types of power semiconductors used in electrical circuits? The types of power semiconductors used in electrical circuits include diodes, thyristors, transistors, and MOSFETs. How is power quality measured in an electrical system? Power quality can be measured by analyzing parameters such as voltage, current, and frequency, and comparing them to accepted standards. What is the purpose of a PLC in an industrial control system? A programmable logic controller, PLC, is a type of computer used in industrial control systems to automatically control machines and processes. What is the difference between a step-up and a step-down transformer? A step-up transformer increases the voltage while a step-down transformer decreases the voltage.